My name is Meni Mhlanga. I'm the General Manager of Afrika Tikkun Planning Center in Orange Farm. I'm the one who is responsible for this center, and this center has got different programs that we run. We have got the early childhood development, the child and youth development, as well as the career development. And then all these programs are supported by a 360 program. And that 360 program is looking at psychosocial services that supports all these units.
Hendrietta Bogopane-Zulu, Deputy Minister, Department of Social Development in Orange Farm, because Orange Farm is one of our high prevalence in terms of social structural drivers, be it HIV prevalence, substance abuse, alcohol abuse, dysfunction in families, as well as children with Foetal alcohol syndrome disorder. The area requires a lot of our attention. We joined the world in celebrating the United Nations Alcohol Foetal Syndrome Spectrum Disorder Awareness Day. South Africa as a member state, we celebrate this day. The first part is us acknowledging the responsibility women have to not use alcohol during pregnancy. We rang the bell for 9 minutes at 9 minutes past 9 on the 9th month. So this campaign is all about 9. And the 9 represents the 9 months where women carry their babies. It is a plea. It's a day where the world and the United Nations and the World Health Organization and everybody tries to get the attention of women, saying to women, you are the givers of life. But with alcohol, you're also taking away that life. One of the things that is said for me personally today is being responsible for SASSA and getting faced by the reality that COVID did not only, lock down South Africans, SASSA also made sure that those that need the money the most did not get it. This unemployed woman who's looking after 7 first children, they last got their money from SASSA in March. Now, what has these children eaten? What nappies did she buy with? How did she keep these children clean? And this is the time where government fails. Because she still has to wash them. She still has to clothe them. And we're sitting in our offices, turning our nice chairs. Aircon, twing, twing, ntate. But she sits every day. So times Pumzile by 7. But yet, we can't thank her enough. Now I start for the work that you do. Keep doing what you do. And that for me is the painful part, because looking after a child with FASD, it's a 24-hour and it's very expensive. At the moment, we lead in the world. We've been the leader for the past 17 years. And it gives us feedback that our programs we need to up the game and up the protection aspect as well. Partnership in fighting social and structural drivers are very important for us as social development, because we never have enough resources to reach South Africans. We never have enough human or capital or technical expertise to actually say we have all the answers. So this year we're partnering with Distell to commemorate this day, and we're bringing them closer to the partnership so that we are able, as the alcohol industry, to hold them accountable, but to also expose them in real life to what their product does.
My name is Nikki Fourie. I'm the Regional General Manager for Distell in Gauteng, Limpopo, Northwest, and in Mpumalanga. Every year on 9 September at 9:09, communities around the globe gather to raise awareness on fetal alcohol spectrum disorder. Since Distell's partnership with FASD, over 1,028 pregnant women have benefited from the Pregnant Women Mentoring Program in the Western Cape and the Eastern Cape province. As a proudly South African company, we are committed to support government to reduce alcohol harm and drive responsible drinking. We acknowledge the negative impact of alcohol abuse and irresponsible drinking on our society and in our communities.
Everywhere we go, we light a candle. And this is Distell's third candle. And the candle today symbolizes hope, it symbolizes life, but it also speaks on behalf of that child we fast, that they also have to have a light shining on their issues and on their reality. So because Distillers was here, we are going to take this candle, hand it back to Distillers, for Distillers to hand it back to Afrika Tikkun. To Afrika Tikkun for the work that you do. Keep this candle burning for children like Pumzile, for children like Sanele. Let their light also shine.